Now look, if you're an agent, don't do this. Just don't do this to us. Come on now. Come on. You put in the lockbox by the cactus? By a cactus? All right, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, so today's video, I have a buyer from California, and we're gonna go look at some homes on the East Valley. That is right, the East Valley. We are heading, whoa, why is this white? There we go, on the East Valley. We're heading to the East Valley to go look at some homes. So with that being said, let's take a trip. Okay, we're gonna go look at 3 homes in the price ranges of 300,000 all the way to 400,000. I'm just leaving the office, so let's go check it out.
This is where they go for the real estate info. I'm here to lead and help you succeed. One thing that you'll learn about me is I'm on a mission. To get the knowledge to the world when making decisions and buying and selling real estate.
Victor Huerta.
Remember my name.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We are actually in Mesa, right off the 60 and the 202, heading a little bit south to Queen Creek. We're gonna go check out this house. Ooh, the sun. We're gonna check out this house for my client. It's coming in from California. They are moving, getting out of California because California is just too damn expensive. So let's check out this house. Well, before I go in, I need to go get my mask. I forgot my mask in the truck. All right, so let's go check out this house. My client is on their way, but I'm gonna give you the home tour before they get here, and so you can check it out. Let's go see. So as you make your way, you see a room to your right. A nice little open floor plan. Let's see the kitchen. Here we go. There's a kitchen that opens to the living room. Okay. We have to turn on some lights here. Can't see anything. All right, 2. We have a room right here. Here's one room. Got some wall issues. We got a bathroom. Now, when you're selling your home and you're gonna have people walk through it, you probably should turn on all the lights so we can see where we're going. All right. There's the washroom. Alrighty. Some flooring here. We got tile to wood. Okay. So we got 3 different colors. And then we got carpet. So yeah. Let's go see this one. Here we go. It's another bedroom. They're pretty decent sized bedrooms. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. And we got the master. Big master. Okay. Bathroom. So I come here early so I can turn on the lights, because usually this is what happens when you're showing homes, is all the lights are off and nobody can really see what's going on in this house. So like I said, when you're listing a house for sale, make sure you turn on some lights on, especially if you're not gonna be home. Even in the pandemic, you see, they leave a little note here. Due to the current situation, COVID-19, we'll be asking you these supplies when going through the home. We appreciate your cooperation. God bless. So now we're just waiting for my client from California to come check out these homes. Let me see if they're here. So that's why I come a little early, turn on the lights. He just rolled up right now. So hopefully they like one of these homes. We'll put an offer in and we'll go from there. I'll let you guys know. All right, so we got a little issues with the pool. You see, it's very important to come walk the pool. We got some rebar showing right here, so it needs to be redone. So that means it's probably might even have a leak underneath, and I make sure I don't fall in this pool with my cell phone and my new microphone that I love. But I mean, it's nice. It's a nice pool. Just needs a little work. The pool equipment sounds pretty good. It's just that it's got this little rebar place right here that needs to be cracked, needs to be filled in. Hopefully it's not leaking. All right, so buyers did not like this one. It needs too much work. They're an older couple selling in California, and they want move-in ready. Unfortunately, low inventory here in Arizona. It's tough, but we're gonna go look at house number 2. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at house number 2, and this yard is pretty good. Smaller home, but pretty nice yard. Let's check it out. Oh, let me move this out of the way. Look at this yard. Ooh, nice. All right, this is house number 2, and it's not gonna work. They want something a little bit newer. So we're gonna bump the price up because we're around $350 to $390. So we're gonna go up to like $400 to $430 to $450. But let's take a look at this house for you guys. All right, here's the kitchen. Now this is only 1,392 square feet. You guys saw the backyard already, but it does have tile. It's a 3-bedroom. Turn on some lights. Turn on this light here. So here we go. It's not too bad. I mean, it's a nice little house, right? It's just they want something a little newer. Let's check out this bedroom. Nice bedroom. Now the unfortunate thing is this is a master. So you get 1 sink. There's the tile showers, etc. Let's go to this other room. It's dark. Dark walls, dark walls. And we got one more room. Little kids room. Nice. All right, so that's it. That's it for this house. That's it for this tour. We're back to the drawing board. This did not fit their needs. So the backyard was nice though. You gotta admit, the backyard is huge. I really like that. It's hard to find yards like that here in Arizona. But with that being said, we're gonna go look for some more homes and try to do this one more time, either today or tomorrow, and just try to get them to a house right away. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video tours. Once again, if you're searching for homes in Phoenix, Arizona, in the East Valley, these are the 2 homes. We decided not to go for the 3rd home, but these are the 2 homes under $380,000. So this is what we're looking for as far as $380,000. This one at 1,300 square feet is $354,900. Look, if you're an agent, don't do this. Just don't do this to us. Come on now. Come on. You put in the lockbox by the cactus? By a cactus? Good thinking. Good thinking. Put the lockbox right by the cactus so it can fall over on us to get the key, or so I can reach my hand in there and hit those little needles. Come on now. Get it together, folks. Get it together. You're an agent. Do your job. Be a professional. I mean, really? Put the lockbox on the door, man. I don't want to get my hand all with stingers all over the cactus. Do your job right. All right, so we struck out on the first 2 houses. We're gonna go look at MLS and see if we can find something at a little bit higher price point. And also, touch the screen here. We actually reached out to our lender to see if we can get them a little higher price point. So yes, back at the crib, back at the office. Let's go try to find these California buyers a house. So anyways, you know how to reach out, get a hold of me if you're looking for a house in Arizona, or if you're looking to sell a house in Arizona. Victor Huerta, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, so you can get notified once we drop the latest video. Just bringing some videos just like this, so you guys can get knowledge on what you guys want to do here in the real estate market. We'll talk to you soon.
If you have any questions, email me at victor@freeagentproperties.com. Again, that email address is victor@freeagentproperties.com, where we release new videos each week on home buyer tips, home seller tips, the Phoenix housing market updates, so you can be mindful when you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate. We will talk to you soon.